So Microsoft's war against older PCs continues. Now it's saying that if you've managed to install Windows 11 on an older PC that's not up to the minimum requirements, it's urgent you roll back to Windows 10. Now, many people I know run Windows 11 on older machines that don't meet the minimum requirements, and the computers run perfectly fine. Microsoft even had tips on how to install Windows 11 on an older PC on their website. Until recently, that kind of disappeared. So their reasoning saying, well, it could have bugs and it won't operate securely enough and this and that. They're also saying they may not provide security updates for Windows 11 on an unsupported PC. And they say there'll be a watermark on there saying whatever it says. That, they're being terribly stubborn with this. And I don't know why. Is it a money grab? Because they're going to offer extended support for Windows 10 for $30 a year per device. Is that what they're doing? I don't know. They really messed this up from the start, leaving out so many computers from the Windows 11 operating system. It's not a logical thing for a business to do, is outcasting millions of potential customers. It doesn't make much sense. So as we get closer to that October deadline, it looks more and more like Microsoft is not going to budge. And Windows 10 users are going to have to find some different solutions for older computers. Either pay Microsoft $30 a year. Now, they may offer 3 years of updates. That's what I'm hearing, if you pay the $30 a year. But who wants to pay Microsoft any more money than they've already gotten from us? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.